dropped it in the toilet, and boy, it wasn't loyal. The void is in a void, loaded for enjoyment, pointedly annoying, soiled and disjointed, spoiled and exploited, foiled and deployed, coiled and uncoiled, royally annoying, born to be a bore, porn addicted corn, worn out crippled snow. Celebrate by stealing, elevate by kneeling, relegate the real, denigrate the real thing, penetrate the healing, decimate the deal, fan away the feeling, stand and wait for peeling, watch the 8-foot seal crumble into tears, bro. Everyone in ears